Imagine if ClickFunnels, Shopify, Patreon, and the world's best affiliate marketplace had a baby, and it paid you for life on every sale your network makes. That's what just launched privately and will be public in September. And if you're a creator or an affiliate, missing this wave is like ignoring Bitcoin in 2010 or ClickFunnels in 2014. It's called OfferLab, and I'm going to show you why this is the single biggest shift in online marketing in over a decade, and why you need to sign up today. Let's be real. If you're a creator, maybe you've got a course, a coaching program, a product. Your biggest problem isn't your offer. It's distribution. You're invisible. You're stuck in your silo. You don't know how to get affiliates. And if you're an affiliate, you're tired of promoting one-time launches, chasing payouts, and being trapped in funnels you can't control. Most affiliate marketing feels like a hamster wheel. Promote, get paid once, start over. OfferLab fixes all of that. Here's how it works. Creators list their products once inside OfferLab. Affiliates and funnel builders can then bundle multiple offers into one funnel with a single checkout. Higher average order values, automated revenue splits, instant payouts for everyone, and your referrals are hard-coded for life, not cookie-based. That means if someone creates a free account through your link, you earn lifetime royalties on everything they sell or promote inside the platform forever. It's not just a tool. It's a collaborative commerce ecosystem where everyone wins together. This is Russell Brunson's biggest launch since ClickFunnels. And just like the early adopters of ClickFunnels became millionaires, the first movers in OfferLab will own this market. Affiliates, you're getting 100% commissions on upgrades during launch, plus lifetime royalties. Creators, you're instantly plugged into an army of affiliates ready to promote your offers. But timing is everything. The doors are opening now if you have a special invitation, and the early access window closes fast. So here's the deal. If you're an affiliate, sign up free, grab your link in the description, and start building your lifetime commission pipeline. If you're a creator, sign up free, grab your link in the description, upload your product once, and let affiliates do the selling for you. And if you want to skip the line, upgrade to the OfferLab certification once you get logged in. That unlocks super tier commissions instantly, 2% on every sale your referrals make, forever. This is one of those once-in-a-decade shifts. Don't be the person who says, "I wish I joined earlier." Be the one who wins big. Creators, affiliates, funnel builders. This is your moment. The future of commerce is collaborative. The question is, are you in early or are you left behind? Click the link below, create your free account, join the community, and let's ride this wave together.